Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add rainbow effect on a VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your VivaVideo apps, and after this you can add the video that you want to edit, and now you can click on the all effect at the bottom if you want to add rainbow effects. So after this you can swipe until you can see a rainbow effect. This one, you just click on it, and in here you can see rainbow effect that you want to add. You can see the rainbow 1, rainbow 2, and rainbow 3. You can add the rainbow that you want to add. I want to try to add rainbow 1. You just click on it. This is a rainbow 3, and after this you can click on done in here and finish. So that's how to add rainbow effect on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.